Okay, guys, I have a lot to talk about, so I'm going to try to go as quickly as possible. At the same time, put out as much information as possible, as thoroughly as possible. Okay, so let's go ahead and check the date. Okay, today is Wednesday, April 1st, 2020. The market has already closed. And this video, of course, goes first to the members in our network. So you guys are watching this first, all right? By the time it's going to hit YouTube, it'll probably, it's going to be a little bit outdated, but still relevant. But of course, the trades, those of you who are watching this on YouTube, don't try to take these current market movement trades just because you're watching them on the screen. There's a lot that goes into it, okay? So... wow, so much happening right now. Okay, so first off, this account, this is the current market value account. Whenever this account starts looking like this and starts profiting, if you go back to a previous video that I made showing the current market value, I believe it's a video called Advantages and Disadvantages of the Forex Helper strategy. I do show a glimpse of this account and when the trades were first placed, okay? And the account was like in a negative, I think 1 million bits or something like that. So that's because it just, at the beginning of the month, okay, pay very close attention. I'm going to tell, this is for those of you who are in our signals group, our signals members. This is very important for you to understand this. Okay, two things. The first thing is those of you who are in our signals group, if you are interested in taking current market value, it's best if you take it the first week of the month, the beginning of the month. That's the reason why, if you go back to those videos that are located in our Google Drive, which I'm going to start making those videos public actually. Okay, I don't know what I'm going to call that series, but maybe throwbacks or something like that. But I'll make it public so that you can understand, and those of you who are out in the public watching these videos, you can understand the process that I've been through with this current market value. It goes all the way back to 2019. I'm not even sure how far back, but pretty much all of last year, where I would place these trades, current market value, at the beginning of the month, and at the end of the month, I would collect. The beginning of the month, we'll place the trades. At the end of the month, we would collect. And I did this month after month after month. It's all documented. If you're a paid member, you got access to it in the Google Drive. If you're a trial member for 10 days, you get access to it in the Google Drive. Just go back to 2019 and watch it. Look at the progression. Okay, so current market value works. So that was the first thing I wanted to talk about for those signals members. If you're interested in taking this, you have to remember that you're gonna have to wait. Okay, but the best time to do it is now. The best time is now. Current market value at the beginning of the week, at the beginning of the month. Then at the end of the month, you collect. I don't have time right now to talk about the advantages and disadvantages. Go back and check out that video. I talk about all of that in that video. So go back and check up on that. Just type up advantages and disadvantages of the Forex Helper strategy, and it should pop up on YouTube. Okay? But I will say this. Also, those of you who are signals members, and you're interested in the current market movement, understand this. The report, the daily financial market report, it does come out at least 3 times a week, but it comes out after the U.S. market has been closed. So if you're taking the current market movement, you have to remember to look. Be sure to check out and make sure that, and I've mentioned this several times, and I'll keep doing it because we are always having new people come in. Okay, always make sure that this green highlighted date corresponds to your date. That's very important. Now with current market movement, because The research is completed and is posted after the U.S. market session. So that's after 2 p.m. my time, Pacific Standard Time. All right, whatever time that is, you can plug it into the Google and tell, what is 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time to your time. Whatever that is, after that time, that's when the report is going to be available. So I got to make you know that. So there's a little bit of a delay. Okay, I just want you to know that with the current market movement. Current market movement. So 3 times a week. Now, another thing you should know with current market movement, I talk about this in the advantages and disadvantages of the Forex Helper strategy. So go back and watch that video. But the next point I want to make is this. Where we are right now, at the beginning of the month, there's usually something called a market shift. All right. Now, what is a market shift? A market shift, according to the Forex Helper strategy, the current market movement and current market value, how it affects that. Okay. It happens every month. It's a pattern. But what happens is, if you look at the daily financial market report, you're going to see a lot of switch positions in one day. And that usually takes place at the beginning of every month. There's this huge market shift throughout all the markets. So to sum it up, a market shift is when the assets switch positions, whether it's current market value or current market movement, throughout all the financial markets. All of the financial markets that we have listed on here. That's the Forex market, commodities market, cryptocurrency market, and indices market. Huge financial shift, market shift. And just a quick little tidbit of good news. I'm gonna add the I'm gonna bring back the stock market on the daily financial report. It won't be on the daily financial report. It's gonna be a video. Okay, because it's very time consuming, but I'm bringing it back though. It's going to be a video. Anyways, I'll talk more about that in upcoming videos, but it's coming, guys. So great opportunity, and we got to deal with another broker. So we got access to that broker to sign you guys on board. Oh my goodness. It's going to be amazing. But anyhow, so that's for the signals people, okay? So you signals people, you got to be patient when it comes to that. Now, if you want faster current market movement service, just contact us. I mean, that's usually, you should pretty much sign up for account management, I'll be honest with you, because account management, that's pronto. So that leads me to the next point, okay? Those of you who are in account management, I know you guys are like, oh man, what's going on? What in the world? Well, yeah, between the this whole week, 28, 29, 30, 31, whatever, when did okay. From Monday, Tuesday, and today is Wednesday. Okay? I know. Trust me, it's been crazy, and that's because of the market shift. But don't worry. I want you guys to start getting the hang of this and get familiar with this. And that leads me to the next point. Here. This is the next point. Let me pull it up, because it's very important that you guys understand this. Those of you who are in account management, and maybe it didn't reach you yet, or for some reason, I don't know. But see if I can find this. I should be able to find this here. Just bear with me. Okay, it's very strange. I don't see it. Oh, there it is. Okay. All right. So here. And for those of you who probably signed up with us and you guys don't know, this is very important. I'm going to go over these rules for account management. But let me end this video and I'll continue on the next video. Okay? I'll meet you on the other video in part 2.